In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and SiteGround for WordPress hosting. If you're building a blog, business site, client project, or your very first WordPress website, this decision matters more than most people realize. A slow hosting setup can hurt page speed, frustrate visitors, and drag down your SEO. That's why Cloudways and SiteGround come up so often. They're both well known, but they're built for very different types of users. First, let's understand the core difference. SiteGround is a managed WordPress host designed to keep things simple. Your site runs in a shared environment, and most of the technical work is hidden behind their custom site tools dashboard. It's meant to feel guided and beginner-friendly. Cloudways, on the other hand, sits on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. Instead of traditional shared hosting, you launch your site on isolated cloud resources with dedicated RAM and CPU for your application. Next, let's talk pricing, because this is where many people get caught off guard. SiteGround often starts with a very low introductory rate, but that price usually requires paying for a full year upfront. After the promo period ends, the renewal cost can jump significantly. Cloudways uses a monthly pay-as-you-go model instead. There's no long contract, and pricing stays much more predictable over time. Another important difference is email. SiteGround includes professional email hosting with its plans, which is a big advantage for beginners and small businesses. Cloudways does not include email hosting by default, so if you need custom business inboxes, you'll need a separate add-on service. Now think about scaling. SiteGround's plans are more structured, with limits based on websites, storage, and traffic estimates. Cloudways gives you much more flexibility. You can run multiple WordPress installs on the same server as long as the server has enough resources to handle them. If you want the easiest path, SiteGround is the shortcut. You sign in, choose a hosting plan, complete checkout, and the onboarding process helps you get WordPress installed quickly. Their built-in optimization tools and setup wizard make it very approachable for non-technical users. If you want stronger cloud performance and more control, Cloudways is the better route. Go to Cloudways, start the free trial, and click Launch Now. Choose the WordPress optimized application, select DigitalOcean, then choose the premium option. Set the server size to 2 GB of RAM or higher, pick the data center location closest to your audience, and launch the server. After that, open your application settings, go to Domain Management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary. Then open the SSL certificate section, enter your email address, and install the free Let's Encrypt certificate so your site uses HTTPS. Finally, do a quick safety check. Review the server dashboard, confirm your labels and settings look correct, and make sure CPU and memory usage are sitting in a comfortable range before sending live traffic to the site. At the end of the day, SiteGround is ideal if you want simplicity, bundled email, and a guided experience. Cloudways makes more sense if you want flexible cloud infrastructure